everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is Tori if you're new here, and welcome to a quiet area of the house. I am attempting to start filming some intros and things like that when there's not yelling and screaming in the background. I know all of you love the real life content, but sometimes a girl wants to talk, and it's a little distracting for me to do so when the kids are yelling. It's just really hard for me to organize my thoughts. So I've come to a quiet place of the house while the kids are sleeping, and I'm bringing you today a grocery haul. Today is going to be a little different though. I actually shopped for 2 weeks, hoping it might stretch us 3 weeks. I am not positive. I'm gearing up here to, someone sneezed, and see, and there's where my train of thought goes. Anywho, I'm gearing up to get us at a comfortable place in our budget. I'm sure I've shared with you before, but this will be my last year teaching. I am planning to stay home with my kids. I'm very excited to do so, but with that comes a negative salary. So we're really trying to figure out ways that we can save more money. If you know me personally, you know I am probably the cheapest person there is out there, but I do have a lot of interests and hobbies. So while I may be cheap, all of those things that I accumulate, all of those things that I am interested in accumulates, and then it leaves us with this huge dent in the budget. So my goal is to really hone in on what my interests are, and that includes YouTube videos, that includes what I'm filming, that includes the business ventures, the many business ventures that I have been on these last couple of years. So while teaching kids art is my true calling, in a classroom setting, I'm not exactly sure if that's where my true calling is leading me to be. So my goal right now is to focus on YouTube, focus on getting my recipes on my website as well. And then I'm also focused on my apparel that I'm creating right now. If you are new here, I started creating my own apparel line. I thrift every single blank that I get. So I just go to the thrift store and purchase items that are gently worn and that are a little better on the brand spectrum, if you will. And then I screen print my own design on them. I come up with my designs in Canva, and then I screen print them, or I lino cut print them, and then I put them on clothing. So yeah, we're going with that business venture as well. I kind of wanted to give an update because it's just kind of been a whirlwind of videos these past couple of weeks. The food shortage videos really bring in some really awesome people. So if that's how you found me, please introduce yourself in the comments down below. I would love to get to know you a little better. And yeah, without further ado, we are going to get into this grocery haul. Like I said, I've been trying to go for 2 weeks, but 3 weeks would be ideal. So I will show you a little, meal plan after the grocery haul. But I think I'm going to do it typed out, just so it's easier for some people to screenshot. I've had that done in the past, and it's just easier for people to read my writing. My writing is not the best. It's like a cursive print combined. So I've been working on that, but I have seen people kind of drop off. So if you want any meal inspiration, just wait until the end of the grocery haul, and I will put all of my meal ideas for the next couple of weeks, 3 hopefully, and then we'll go from there. So without further ado, long-winded intro, thanks for being here. If you are new here, we would love it if you hit that subscribe button. We make content just about everything. I am Tori. I'm a mother, elementary school teacher for the time being, and we live in northern Colorado. So we would love it if you became part of our YouTube family, and let's just get right into the video. So last time you all liked that I included what my husband ate and the kids, so we have some things that I would not eat in here as well, just for the sake of you all. We have carrots, of course, I eat carrots. 92 cents for carrots. I think that's a pretty good deal. They're not organic, but if you're shopping at Walmart, definitely pick some up. We have some sweet peas. They're frozen. We went to the $1 off bread and got 50-cent Kaiser rolls, just 2 of those, normally 66 cents. Yeah, so not a huge savings, but we're going to eat these for hamburgers, and we're going to eat them tonight. So I think that we should always go to the $1 off or the day old bread section, because we save, you know, a little bit of cents here and there, and that adds up. Anyways, we have some organic cherry tomatoes. I like having the cherry tomatoes more than the regular tomatoes, just because they seem to last longer, and I don't feel obligated to eat the entire tomato. And then my husband drinks these Bang energy drinks. He really enjoys those. A lot of caffeine, so I don't really drink these, but if you're into fitness and, you know, staying awake with 2 toddlers and long hours, definitely look into these. And then over here we have a bell pepper, always the cheapest of the peppers. We have some olives. I usually get the Walmart brand, but they didn't have any, so these were $1.97, just a little pricier than I would have liked, but I really love olives. I eat them probably every week, every other day. And then over here we have some green onions. We have a 5-pound bag of yellow potatoes, which I assume is a gold potato, but correct me if I'm wrong, please. We have some tri-color coleslaw. We're making some big batches of halushki so I can freeze it. And then I was also going to do some halupkis as well. 2 Polish recipes that I have in the Pennsylvania Grange cookbook. I'm pulling a lot of recipes from that cookbook just because I love it so much. It's really fun to read my family members like handwriting and what they like and what they would have added and things like that. If you want me to, I will do a whole video dedicated to that cookbook because it's so fun, and you can find them just about anywhere. And I'm sure if you don't live in Pennsylvania, your state has something similar. Now over here we have some homemade tortillas. How many are in here? Don't even know. 24 ounces. Oh, did it say right there? A 12 count. 12 count of tortillas. So not that much, but these are the larger variety, so we can make burritos and things out of that. We got some butter beans. I just saw them and I was like, oh my goodness. I used to make a curried couscous with butter beans and it was so good. I have it on my channel. I think I have a dedicated recipe video when I first started doing all of this. So we love butter beans, and you can't really find them out here too much, to be honest with you. Butter beans and yellow wax beans, 2 things that we used to eat a lot back home, and then we used to actually grow the yellow beans in the garden, so that was nice too. I didn't find any yellow beans though, just butter beans. We got some Kinder steak seasoning, Butcher's all-purpose. We've never had this, but my husband likes seasoning on his meat, of course, so I wanted to get him that. This was an impulse buy. We went to the grocery store hungry with 2 toddlers, which was a bad choice. Never do that. And we got this buffalo-style chicken flatbready pizza thing for right now. I think it's like $5, so I don't know. Like I said, don't go hungry when you go to the grocery store. We have some sharp cheddar cheese and some Gouda cheese just for miscellaneous things for the week, for the 2 weeks. We got some sour cream for the same reason. Normally I will get cream cheese or sour cream. I'll try and limit the dairy. Sometimes we like to get our dairy at the farm stand though. It's locally owned and we just really love the owners, but that's only when it's in the budget. It is a little bit more pricey than Walmart, of course, so we did not go there for these 2 weeks. We got some fig bars, 10 twin packs for the car. My kids really love them. I do like that there's no high fructose corn syrup and they're plant-based, but I feel like that is such a good example of greenwashing, because if you turn it around, you will see the sugar content, the sodium even. There is 3 grams of protein, but that sugar kind of, I feel like, cancels everything out. The kids really like them though, so we got the Nature's Bakery fig bars for now. These are really quick meals for everybody else. The breaded mozzarella sticks are $1.90 and the 5 cheese lasagna is $2.10. So very cheap, very quick. My husband can take them in his lunches and we're gonna try these, see if the kids like them. I mean, it's bread and cheese, they should, but we shall see about that. And then over here we have the Old El Paso 18 taco shells, crunchy. This was a mistake of mine. I thought I was getting the taco kit where there was sauce and seasoning and flour tortillas and corn tortillas, but it just gets so busy in there and I wasn't paying attention. So we can just make our own seasoning and our own taco sauce and then use some of these flour tortillas. But that is about it. I'm going to get everything put away and then I will show you my plan for the next 2 weeks. That is going to do it for today's video. Thank you for sticking around for this long-winded grocery haul. I really hope you enjoyed yourself and got some new ideas for the couple of weeks ahead. As always, stay adventurous, stay creative, and I'll see you next time. Bye, everyone.